Hey everybody, this is Tyler with Seller Labs, and today I'm going to talk you through how to do basic keyword research with the free version of our tool Scope. So you can see I'm already on the Amazon product page of a product I'm thinking about selling. Today I'm going to give the example of an apple slicer and think about bundling it with an apple peeler. So if I go down here and open our extension of Scope, I can get a bunch of great keyword information. So what information do we give you? You can see it's populated with some great stuff here. One, the keyword, that's what people are actually searching to find this product. Two, when was it last refreshed? So we'll tell you last time that we looked up all this data for you. The score tells you it's a relative term that says 1 being no one ever searches for this keyword ever, to 100 being people are searching it all the time. It just kind of tells you a level of importance of the actual keyword. Search volume, that gives you an estimated number of impressions generated this month by that keyword. CPC bid is the estimated cost per bid click, so that kind of gives you an idea, again, of how competitive bidding on that keyword would be. The position rank, so where does this listing show up when you search that specific keyword? So what that tells you is, for this specific keyword, for apple or slicer, it shows up as position 2, so it'd be the second item you see. And then what are the estimated sales based upon the position and the score of these keywords? So in the free versions here, you get the top 3 keywords. So what I like to do when I'm doing an initial keyword research is to copy and paste these out to Excel and then make a whole list of a bunch of different keywords for different products and then kind of sort them in Excel. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've pre-prepared in Excel a bunch of keywords from slicers and peelers so that we can kind of see how I like to use the data we have from Scope to make decisions based on our keywords. So you can see here we have all the same data fields as before. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these and then sort them based on estimated sales from largest to smallest. So the important thing to remember when you're building your listing out or making edits to your listing is that you want to put the keywords that people are actually buying for in the most prominent position. I'm going to just go in and remove the duplicates, and then we can kind of go from there. So let's do this. So first I'm going to select all these. I've got them sorted as I liked them. All right, I know what's important. Now let's take all of these over here. And first thing we're going to do is split them into different lines. So we're going to go text to columns, and that's under your data. So text to columns, and then go next. And we don't want to do it by tab. We want it to do it by space. So it's going to take all of our words and make them in separate spaces. Next. And finish. All right, so we got a ton of great data here. So let's do this. Copy and paste into one line, copy and paste underneath, and copy and paste underneath. All right, so now we've got all these. We can delete these, get out of here, and then we're going to select this row, and we're going to say remove duplicates. So what this is going to do is remove all the duplicates that are in this line and give us a concise list, because with Amazon, we don't want to repeat the same word over and over again. We want to be concise and only use the keywords that matter one or a couple times when unavoidable. So let's remove these duplicates and go. Awesome. And so you can see we just took a lot of keywords that maybe were redundant and took it down to 8 or 9 keywords. And we know all of these keywords are really powerful based on the fact that we know people were searching them according to Scope.